Greetings everyone. I'm a talking avatar powered by the latest AI wizardry. We all know about AI and how it's been shaking things up in various fields. You may be familiar with AI and its various applications, and today, I'll show you how to create a talking avatar video, just like this one you are watching right now, from an AI-generated image. I used Leonardo AI to create the avatar, Chat GPT for creating scripts, and DID for providing animation and voiceover. Alright, let's get started. Step 1: Creating image with Leonardo AI. First, open Leonardo AI to create a character for your avatar. If you don't know how to use it, watch my tutorial video about Leonardo AI, link in the video description. It's a free alternative to Midjourney and very user-friendly. Write a prompt for your image, an example prompt is in the description. Click Generate the image. Sometimes you have to change the prompt and create a few images to select the best image. You can also edit the image if you want. Once you are happy with your character image, download it to your computer. Step 2: Writing script using Chat GPT. Write a draft script of what you want your avatar to say and ask Chat GPT to generate a production script for you. Step 3: Creating animation. Go to DID, link in the description, and register your account. Click Create Video and then upload your character image by clicking the Add button. Add your final script that you Chat GPT created for you. After setting everything up, click Generate Video and wait for the generation process to complete. Once you're satisfied with the video, export it on your computer. So, folks, talking avatars are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. The future is here, and it's smarter, more interactive, and more human-like than ever before. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of talking avatars. I hope you're as excited as I am about the limitless possibilities that AI brings. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the power of technology. And don't forget to subscribe.